Sound Jackson. Halo semua, welcome back with me Devin dari Guguk Bobo. Kali ini first ever video, and I'll be discussing with you guys because I found that this deleted scene. The first things that comes up to mind is how the fun gitu loh. It's been years since The Walking Dead been released. Itu udah tamat, season 4 tuh udah tamat 2018 kali ya. Dan dari 2018 ada channel YouTube ngepost ini Boatmaster yang dimana itu ngepost di tahun 2018 ada deleted scene The Walking Dead. Ini dimana kalau harus cerita guys, you would never understand how much I love this game. I love the people in it, I love everything that's involved in it. Karena literally game ini tuh ngisi childhood gue bahkan pernah pas umur gue 14 tahun gue nge-DM voice actor dari Kenny, karakter kesukaan gue yaitu Gavin Hammond, dan itu dibalesin sama dia. Gue super happy. Dan ya, yang kalian barusan dengar itu audio clip, but forget about it because ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let's check it out.
Why did you do it, Lee?
Carly?
Why'd you kill me?
Jadi guys, di scene kehapus yang pertama itu super creepy banget karena kita digentayangin guys, alias mimpi buruk. Jadi mana itu kita ditangin sama, jadi kalau kalian tahu di literally first quest, bukan quest sebetulnya, kayak first QTA kita tuh, yang dimana ini bukan first banget sih, karena yang first itu kan si Sean sama anaknya si Kenny ya, si Doug. Jadi first quest di drugstore, kita kan disuruh milih tuh mau nyelamatin Carly atau Dove. Either mau yang manapun kita pilih, yang mana yang mati itu seharusnya bakal disediain, kita tuh didatangin di mimpi guys. Dan di mimpi itu salah satu dari mereka itu Carly atau Dove kan. Tapi damn bro, ngeri banget. Yang dimana juga tujuan dari scene itu sendiri menurut gua agar kita sebagai player ngerasa guilt guys. Kita ngerasa bersalah karena kita gagal buat nyelamatin satu orang yang lain. Kita nyelamatin kayak satu orang doang, kayak kita tuh dibikin kayak ngerasa kalau kayak kita tuh dijudge lah sama game, kalau lu tuh egois ya, lu nolonginnya tuh orang ini bukan orang itu gitu ya ibaratnya. Di dialognya itu juga segala dibawa kayak dikutip-kutipin apa yang Lee sebut di persidangan, karena kita sendiri tahu kan kalau Lee itu di awal game dia itu ngarah ke penjara guys, karena dia itu ngebunuh seorang senator yang dimana itu selingkuh sama istrinya dia. Dan juga kita dapat informasi guys, seandainya sini di add ke gamenya, itu bakal tahu siapa nama orang yang dibunuh sama Lee, dan ternyata nama orang itu adalah Sam karena di-mention sama arwahnya si Dove sama Carly guys.
I didn't kill you.
I suppose you didn't kill Sam either.
I had to make a choice. I couldn't save you both.
You decide who lives and who dies. Is that why you killed Sam?
I barely knew you.
Is it easier to kill a stranger? Easier than killing your old friend?
You're better off not having to starve to death with the rest of us.
Fine, if that makes you feel better, Lee. Is Sam better off now too? Maybe I just reminded you too much of her. She never loved you, you know. You can't save anyone, especially not that little girl who relies on you. She's as good as dead. Dead girl walking. What are you looking for, Lee? Second chances? I'll give you another chance. Can you save me this time?
Yang kedua guys, kalau ternyata gue baru tau kalau Mark itu nggak harus mati guys. Ternyata disediain kayak alternatif di mana Mark itu nggak mati, Mark itu nggak kena tembak panah di farm karena dia tuh nggak ikut sama Lee buat nyongkelin mayat-mayat zombie yang nyangkut di pagar guys. Dan ternyata ada alternatif pilihan yang dimana pas awal episode 2 season 1 kita kan nolongin Mr. Parker, gurunya si Ben. Nah ternyata ada alternatif dimana kita tuh ninggalin mayat dia. Dia tuh sebenarnya nggak jadi mayat, kayak ninggalin badan dia. Dan ternyata kita bakal nemu dia lagi kayak sekarat di rumahnya si Brenda guys, rumahnya di St. John's apa tuh namanya, St. John's Diary. Yang dimana tuh dia udah sisa badan doang, kakinya tuh udah nggak ada, dan ternyata mau dikasih makan ke kita anjir. Dan dimana kan emang keluarga kanibal ya mereka ini, dan lumayan keren lah mereka nyediain alternatif ini kan. Jadi dimana, tapi nggak dikasih tahu guys gimana si Mark tuh bakal mati ya kalau udah kayak gini, nggak ada scene-nya gitu. Cuman ya ternyata ada disediain pilihan kayak gini gitu loh.
Who's there? Stay away! Don't take any more of me!
Holy shit! What happened to you? We left you with...
Trapped!
How did you lose both of your legs?
Don't eat dinner!
Clementine!
Yeah, Lee, what's gotten into you?
He just had a start.
He could use some goddamn manners!
That guy from the woods, Kenny. You remember him? The guy we left in the trap! He's upstairs with his fucking legs cut off! You're eating him!
That's crazy.
Now there.
You're scaring the kids, Lee.
Mom, I was eating that.
The bear traps we found in the woods? Well, they match the ones in the barn. And they're using them to trap people.
You're out of your skull!
The man Kenny and I found trapped in the woods is upstairs right now, with no legs! Brenda, tell me he's not being eaten right now.
It's true.
Please, someone!
Stay back. I'll shoot.
Here we go.
Sekarang kita pindah ke season 2 guys. Kali ini a bit shocking karena wow guys, kita bisa ngebunuh Mike guys, the black guy that so eager to go to Texas, you know. Dia tuh maksa banget pengen ke Texas pasti Kenny ngebenterin mobil guys. Kita semua tuh tahu dia mau nyari watermelon sama ayam goreng sana guys. Yang dimana di zombie apocalypse there is no way you can find that Mike. Dan yup, Mike die for sure. Kita semua tahu juga kalau kita ditembak sama Arvo, bla 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 bla. Kita dibawa sama Kenny sama Jane dan dari situ si Kenny nge-confirm kalau emang si Jane nge-confirm kalau yang Mike tuh tewas gitu loh, ketembak sama Clem. So yeah, Mike's dead. No more black guy in the show.
Here we go.
So sorry. I didn't mean for this to happen.
It'll burn a while, but you'll be fine.
Those sons of bitches. I mean, I expected it from the Russian. But Mike? I could tell they were working on something.
I didn't think they'd go that far.
Is Mike dead?
Yeah.
You got nothing to be sorry about, Clem. We were all...
Dan ya kira-kira sampai situ aja sih. Kayak ibaratnya scene-scene kapus yang penting-penting banget karena saya tuh cuman kayak ekstra dialog terus kayak
What do you
misalnya
mean
nih
he's-
kayak lebih kayak bonding sama karakter lain aja sih.
Don't worry.
Kayak I guess that's all.
Don't worry, are you
Let me know what you
kidding?
guys think about
What's
it.
up there that's got Kenny
Thanks
so
for watching
spooked?
guys. See
I'm
ya.
afraid to go look.
So don't.
Either way, I got a bad feeling a shitstorm's brewing.
The walkers don't worry me as much as the bandits.
That's what I'm saying. Something's coming, Lee. There's gonna be a war.
And we got food!
And there would have been a lot more where this came from if Lee here had taken that sweet family up on their offer to stay. They even offered us dinner.
We can't trust strangers. Not with kids in our group.
You'd rather let them starve.
It wouldn't be safe for Clementine. That fence is overkill, and I didn't like the look of those guys.
Did you ever think about the rest of us? We got what, one basket of bread here? Jesus, Lee, what do you mean? What type of setup do they got?
You wouldn't believe it. They've got a dairy cow. And this fence. Oh man, this fence.
They got protection? Could be a better spot to stage our move.
Yeah, well, Lee didn't think so.
I'm sure he had his reasons.
It wasn't right for us. Didn't get a good vibe there.
Good vibe? Well, Christ, Daddy-o, I'm sorry the folks with the food supply and defenses didn't tickle your pretty pink ass.
By right for us, do you mean us or you and Clementine?
We need to think like a group, Lee. This affects everyone.
Then we vote to go back. If the majority agrees, Lee and Mark, you head back and tell them we changed our minds while we load up and meet you there.
And if we don't?
Then we'll stay in this wretched roach motel with your recreational paperweight over there. Plus, we stay close to Macon where we have access to the pharmacy. For Dad. Kenny? Katja?
We go.
Dad?
You betcha, Pumpkin.
I say we do it. But I'll hang back to keep tabs on the motor inn, at least until after dinner tonight.
I'd like to stay too, if that's okay. I haven't had too much luck with strangers.
We know Mark's vote. Lee?
No, we stay. I'm firm on this, regardless of any vote.
You're not even gonna ask Clementine then? She's a big girl, aren't you, huh?
Fine. We go. Clementine, what do you think?
I'm very hungry.
No, my dad told me about you. About what happened with the senator.
Lily,
Look, I don't care what happened in your past. Tonight I saw what kind of man you are. You could have killed every one of them, but you didn't. I think that says a